Hello and welcome, I'm Beatrice, and today's class is a gentle flow with the aid of a blanket under our knees. I'm nursing a little bit of a knee injury on the left side, so I thought this would be helpful for many of us that have a little bit of niggles in our knees. So all you need is a blanket, and when you're ready, come and practice with me. So starting this class on all fours, knees on our blanket, hands under our shoulders, knees under our hips. And before we move through some cat and cows, take a moment here to really spread your fingers wide, plant each fingertip to the ground, relieve some pressure off the wrists, point your toes back, tuck your tailbone down, and notice the ground under our hands, under our knees. You can close off the eyes. Take a few conscious breaths. And you're welcome to rock forwards and back, warming up the wrists, noticing how the whole body feels today. Come through to center, bring your shoulders back over your wrists. On your next inhale, lift the tailbone, drop the belly, open the chest, look forward. As you exhale, let the head drop, round the shoulders and keep rounding down the spine, tuck your tailbone. Inhale, lift the tailbone, drop the belly, open the chest. Exhale, round. Take a few more. You can add a bit more movement here. Maybe swing the hips side to side. Look over one shoulder and the other. Take circles. We'll continue with simple cat and cows. 2 more breaths. Come back to your straight spine and keeping the hips just over your knees, walk your hands forward into puppy or melting heart. Let the head drop, reach your arms forward and reach the hips up. Walk your hands back towards you slowly. Bring your hands back under your shoulders and extend the right leg back behind you. On your in-breath, try to tuck your tailbone still under and lift the right leg up. Take a breath in, press the heel away from you, and as you breathe out, bring your knee to your chest and round the back. Breathe in, press the heel away, look forward. Breathe out, round the back, knee to chest. Breathe in, press the heel back. Breathe out, knee to chest. 2 more, breathe in. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale out completely. Hold your knee to your chest. Press the ground away with the hands round the back. Look back towards your knee. Gently take your knee down to the ground and come to the other side. Left leg back. Reach it off the ground. Tuck your tailbone. Press the heel back. Breathe in. Breathe out. Knee to chest. Round the back. Breathe in. Take that knee away. Leg away. Press the heel back. Breathe out. Knee to chest. 3 more. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale fully. Press back. Exhale completely. Last one. Hold the knee to your chest. Press the ground away, round the back. And slowly release that knee down to the ground. Bring your big toes together. Release into child's pose for a moment. You can have your knees wide, your knees together. And by all means, you don't have to sit all the way back. Just relax your wrists. Maybe flip the palms up. You can open and close the fingers to relieve some pressure off the wrists. Bring the palms back down to the ground. Lift through to hands and knees. Then bring your knees back in line with your hips and lift all the way up to your knees. Take your hands to your heart, palms together. Take a breath in, and as you breathe out, twist to the right. Squeeze the palms together. Roll your shoulder blades together. Breathe into center. Breathe out, twist to the right. Breathe into center. Breathe out right. 2 more. Breathe in. Breathe out. Last one. Breathe into center. Same to the other side. Breathe out left. Twist. Breathe into center. Breathe out. Twist. Breathe in. Squeeze the glutes as well if that feels good for you. Press the feet to the ground. 3 more. Really feel that strength through the legs. Last one. Press the hands together, shoulder blades together. Come back through center, and from here, step your right leg forward in any way that feels good for you. You can take a small step and then take it forward with your hands to your heart, or you can take your hands down first and then take your step forward with the right leg. Sink the hips down, take both hands to the ground. If you can, lift your chest and let the fingertips come to the ground. And you can look down in front of you, really extend that left leg back. If it feels good, play a bit with the rotation of your hips, so you can turn to face right and turn to face left, maybe open a bit with the hip and swing side to side. Come back through center, keep your left hand down and reach your right arm up to the sky, twist out to the side. Bring your right hand back down to center. Take a moment to lift the hips and step that right leg back to meet the left. Coming through to the other side, so step your left leg forward. Find space between the two legs, and this time notice that right side, that right leg. Come to the fingertips, open the chest, and either look forward or look down. Maybe invite some gentle rotation of the hip. So external as you open out to the side and internal as you close it in towards center. Come through to center, and this time keep your right hand down and lift the left arm up. And take your left hand down to the ground. Make your way back through to your hands and knees. Take a moment to press the ground away. Come back to your all fours position. Reset your knees. From here, extend your right leg out. I'll show you from the front so you can see me better. So your right leg is out in line with your left knee. And from here, walk your left hand out in line with your knee as well. And reach the right arm up. Take a big breath in. On your exhale, take that right arm up and over. Find a side stretch. Keep the hips pointing forward. Press the ground away. You can keep your toes tucked on that left side. On your next breath in, reach that right arm up. Spread your fingers wide, and you can stay here, or you can try to come to your toes on that right side. Maybe lift the leg and flex the foot. And if you come here, take 3 deep breaths. It's fine if you're shaking, and as you exhale, lower that foot down, bring your knees back to center and your hands back to center, and come to the other side. So this time, open the left foot out in line with your right knee. Then take your right hand in line with your knee as well, and your left arm reaches up and over for your side bend. Send the hips forward, find that stretch. And you can keep your toes tucked on that right leg if you prefer. Then reach the left arm up, spread your fingers, and you can stay here. You can maybe try to come to your toes on that left side, or maybe reach the foot up in line with the ground and press the heel away. Take 3 deep breaths. Again, it's fine if you're shaking. Exhale, lower down, invite the knees back on your blanket, hands under your shoulders, and let's finish in child's pose. So bring your big toes together again, knees wide or together, and bring your hips back until you need to stop. And this time, as you reach your arms forward, bend your elbows and let the head drop. Take 4 breaths in and out. And begin to really focus your attention on the breath. On your in-breath, count 1. On your out breath, 2. In breath, 3. Out breath, 4. Inhale, 5. Exhale, 6. Inhale, 7. Exhale, 8.
Inhale 9. Exhale 10. Repeat this once again. 1 to 10. 1 count for the inhale and 1 count for the exhale. If you get lost, just start back from 1 and try not to judge yourself. On your next breath in, lift yourself up through hands and knees.
And come to a comfortable seated position. I'll be sitting on my blanket. So you can sit at the edge of your blanket. So letting the pelvis move forward, tilt forward. You can take your hands on your knees, soften the shoulders, and either soften the gaze down or close off the eyes. And take a moment to notice your whole body. When you're ready, float your eyes open. And you can take your hands to your heart and bow down and thank yourself for this time on the mat. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope you enjoyed this practice, and if you did, please like and subscribe and share with your friends and family. Thank you.